Think you know fixed wireless internet? A lot of people still believe it's slow, unreliable, or only meant for rural areas. But today's fixed wireless access, powered by 5G, is a completely different technology than it was just a few years ago. Let's clear up the top 5 misconceptions about it. Myth 1. Fixed wireless is slower than fiber. Thanks to 5G and advanced LTE, modern business FWA often delivers comparable speeds and latency to wired broadband. For most business applications, like payments, voice over IP, video conferencing, or cloud access, it performs just as well as fiber. And the best part? You can deploy it in hours, not weeks. Myth 2. It's only good as backup. That used to be true, but not anymore. Today, many companies use FWA as their primary connection, especially in locations where wired internet isn't available or too expensive to install. It's also a great failover option, giving you redundancy when your main line goes down, so operations never stop. Myth 3. Fixed wireless is just a mobile hotspot. Consumer hotspots run on shared networks and often get throttled after hitting data caps. Business fixed wireless runs on dedicated enterprise policies, meaning unthrottled performance, higher network priority, and consistent speeds even during congestion. It's designed for business, not casual use. Myth 4. It's unreliable. Today's 5G FWA operates on licensed cellular spectrum, with quality of service controls, advanced antennas, and carrier redundancy. That means stable performance, even in demanding environments like warehouses or hospitals where downtime isn't an option. Myth 5. It's only for rural areas. In reality, fixed wireless access powers everything from urban retail stores to enterprise campuses, construction sites, and healthcare facilities. If you have power, you can have reliable, high-speed business internet. Fixed wireless access has evolved. It's fast, scalable, and ready for the modern enterprise. If you're still relying on outdated assumptions, it might be time to take another look. Learn more about unthrottled business fixed wireless plans on our site. Let's be honest, your business can't afford downtime. When your internet goes out, your phones, point-of-sale systems, and cloud apps go down too. And when that happens, business stops. That's why more companies are moving to cellular fixed wireless access, or FWA, enterprise-grade internet powered by 5G and LTE. Fixed wireless internet uses the same licensed cellular networks your phone connects to, but with business-grade equipment and policies designed for stability, not throttling. So instead of waiting weeks for fiber to be installed, a small modem or antenna connects your site to a nearby 5G tower. You can be online in hours, not days or weeks. And unlike consumer hotspots, business FWA is unthrottled. That means no sudden slowdowns after you hit a data cap, just a consistent, high-performance connection designed for business-critical operations. Companies often try FWA because it's fast to deploy, but they stay because the performance is better than expected. With FWA, you can get sites online instantly, without construction or permits. Use it as a primary connection or as automatic failover when your wired internet goes down. Manage everything from a centralized portal with predictable speed and coverage. And because it runs over licensed cellular networks, you get reach into areas fiber doesn't go. Rural sites, temporary pop-ups, or mobile offices. Fixed wireless access isn't just for one industry. It's powering retail and hospitality, where every second of checkout uptime matters. Construction sites that need rugged, portable internet on demand. Healthcare, where secure and reliable access to patient data is non-negotiable. Warehouses and logistics that rely on constant scanning, tracking, and robotics. Even branch offices that use FWA as backup or secondary circuits for uninterrupted uptime. If your business depends on its internet connection, this is for you. Fiber is fast, but it's fixed. If there's an outage, a cut cable, or a delayed install, you're stuck. Fixed wireless access gives you fiber-like performance with the flexibility of wireless, You get enterprise QoS controls, secure VPN options, static IPs, and reliable bandwidth without digging a single trench. Now, here's where it really matters. Not all wireless internet is created equal. Consumer mobile plans often say unlimited, but after a certain point, your speeds get throttled, sometimes drastically. Business-grade FWA, like what we deliver at Pond, doesn't do that. Our networks prioritize business traffic, enforce enterprise-level QoS, and provide consistent throughput backed by service-level agreements. At Pond, we've engineered fixed wireless access for businesses that can't afford downtime. You can deploy it in hours, manage all your sites from one dashboard, and stay online with an unthrottled, prioritized connection. The future of business internet is wireless, fast, flexible, and ready when you are. Whether you're running a store, a clinic, a construction site, or a national chain, Pond's fixed wireless access gives you business internet you can count on, no matter where you work. To learn more, visit our site and see how easy it is to get your business connected.